Hi everyone, how you doing? I'm Fran O'Hara. I'm based out of Ireland. I'm going to be giving a tutorial at EuroSTAR this year on enhancing agile testing with large language models. So really, we're going to explore what kind of potential benefits you might be able to get from integrating the likes of ChatGPT into your testing activities. We're going to be looking at the requirements, building quality in, backlog refinement, risk analysis, test planning, test design, exploratory testing, and where we might get some benefit and ways in which we can experiment with and get some value from the use of large language models. And also, we'll be talking about maybe some of the limitations and risks as well, and the need to kind of foster critical thinking in relation to all of this. So, we're going to take a real world project. We're going to do team-based exercises and hopefully have a bit of fun along the way. So, I hope you can join me. Learn a bit about prompt engineering, of course, as well in the context of testing. So hopefully you'll come out of this tutorial kind of with kind of confidence to look at applying and experimenting with the use of large language models to help with your testing. So hopefully see you there. Thanks.